Hello, welcome to our iTailor.com. iTailor is the world-leading online tailor, superior service and quality, pioneers of the tailoring industry. If you're in need of a custom tailored shirt or suit, look no further than our professional tailoring factory. We are a professional state-of-the-art tailoring factory, offering direct factory prices to our customers. We utilize the latest technology and state-of-the-art equipment to create the perfect fit for you. iTailor offers you nothing but the best quality of tailor-made shirts. Armed with a state-of-the-art 3D shirt designer, what we are offering you is the most unique and creative way to design and order your custom-made shirts. Our 3D shirt designer is the most advanced and simple tool, giving you limitless design possibilities. Watch our video to see how you can make your dream custom shirt or suits a reality. So, let me take you through our 3D shirt design steps. Click on Design Shirt. Let your journey begin. With 4 easy steps you will be able to design every single detail for your custom-made shirt. Click 3D, 360-degree shirt design. Here you see fabric, style, color contrast, and measurements. In the fabric section, we have over 100 fabric combination colors. Now click the style section. Here you can also see the shirt sleeve style, front style, back style, bottom style, collar style, cuffs and pocket style. Click the color contrast section. Here you will see contrast, bottoms, and monogram option. Now we will show you a custom shirt design. Choose your collar inside color. Choose your cuffs inside color. Choose your wristband color. Choose your inside placket color. And outside placket color. Choose your sleeve fabric color. Now we will go to the buttons section. Choose the color of your buttons and buttonhole thread. Then click on the monogram. Choose your monogram position, type in some monogram as well to have a personal touch on your shirt. Choose monogram color. Click the measurements. Here you see your body size option. Fill in your measurements, then click Add to Cart and get your shirt delivered to your doorstep from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching the video and stay with us.